Hello everyone, we are going to discuss about a previous year question of Corporate Accounting 2 from University of Madras in April 2014 part B. This question is from Bank Accounts chapter. Let me read the question. From the following balances, prepare the profit and loss account of Canara Bank. Interest received rupees 5,42,260, discount received 2,43,760, commission received 44,240, interest on deposits rupees 1,60,520, general expenses rupees 1,82,420, bad debts 1,28,710, rebate on bills discounted rupees 64,380. Based on this information, we have to prepare the working notes for preparing profit and loss account of a bank. First, we have to prepare the schedule number 13. That heading is interest earned. So under schedule number 13, we have to mention interest received. That amount is rupees 5,42,260. Then we have to mention as less, and then we have to mention rebate on bills discounted required. That amount is rupees 64,380. That amount will be less with the above amount. So 5,42,260 minus 64,380, we get 4,77,880. That is schedule number 13th total. Then we have to prepare the schedule number 14. That heading is called other income. Under schedule number 14, we have to mention discount received. That amount is rupees 2,43,760. Then commission received. That amount is rupees 44,240. Then we have to add this amount. We get the total amount of 2,88,000. So that is schedule number 14th total. Then we have to prepare the schedule number 15th. The schedule number 15th heading is interest expended. So under schedule number 15th, we have to mention interest on deposits. That amount is rupees 1,60,520. Then we have to prepare the schedule number 16th. That heading is called operating expenses. Under schedule number 16, we have to mention general expenses. That amount is rupees 1,82,420. That amount is also the schedule number 16th total. Then we have to prepare the provision and contingencies. Under this sentence, we have to mention bad debts. That amount is rupees 1,28,710. Then we have to prepare the profit and loss account of Canara Bank for the year ended. First, we have to frame particular column, schedule number column and rupees column. Then we have to mention Roman letter 1 as income. Then under the word, we have to mention interest earned. That is schedule number 13th heading. And 13 will be mentioned in the schedule number column. And in the rupees column, we have to mention schedule number 13th total. That is 4,77,880. Then in particulars column, we have to mention as other income. That is schedule number 14th total, not total. That is schedule number 14th heading. Then number 14 will be mentioned in the schedule number column. And in the rupees column, we have to mention schedule number 14th total. That is 2,88,000. After mentioning this amount, we have to add this amount. We get the total of 7,65,880. That is total A or total income. Then we have to mention Roman letter 2. That is expenditure. So under the expenditure, we have to mention interest expended. That is schedule number 15th heading. And number 15 will be mentioned in the schedule number column. Then we have to mention in the rupees column. Then we have to mention schedule number 15th total amount in the rupees column, that is 1,60,520. Then we have to mention as operating expenses in the particulars column, that is schedule number 16th heading. Then number 16 will be mentioned in the schedule number column. Schedule number 16, the total will be mentioned in the rupees column, that is 1,82,420. Then we have to mention as provision and contingencies in the particular column. There is no any schedule number for that. That total will be mentioned in the rupees column, that is 1,28,710. So after mentioning this amount, we have to add this amount. We get the total of 4,71,650. That is total B. It means 1,60,520, 1,82,420, 1,28,710. So we get the total of 1,71,650. Then we have to mention Roman letter 3, that is a profit or loss. So now we are going to find out the net profit of a bank. So we can compare total A minus total B, or Roman letter 1 minus Roman letter 2. So either we can use. So the total A amount is 7,65,880 minus total B amount is 4,71,650. So we get the difference amount of 2,94,230. That is net profit of a bank. And profit brought forward is nil. There is no any previous year net profit of a bank. Then we have to prepare the appropriations. It means we have to transfer some amount from the bank's net profit. So in this way, transfer to statutory reserve, it's mandated for all the banks except Reserve Bank of India. So the default percentage is 25, which is from the net profit of a bank. So the net profit of a bank is 2,94,230. Multiply with 25 divided by 100, we get 73,557.5 as a statutory reserve of a bank. Then we have to find out the balance net profit amount that will be transferred to the balance sheet of a bank. So the net profit amount of a bank is 2,94,230 minus 73,557.5. We get the difference amount of 2,20,672.5. That amount will be transferred to the balance sheet of a bank. That's all.